Hello friends, in this video we are going to update Shopify e-commerce store. We are going to add home page slider banners, product filters and coupon code. And these are the steps that we are going to take. First, we are going to install the Shopify refresh theme, in which we are going to add the professional slider banners to the home page. After that, we are going to install search and discovery app that is required for advanced filters like size, price, colors, etc. And then we are going to create the discount coupon code for welcome 10. We're going to create the welcome 10 discount code, in which we are going to give the 10% discount coupon to the users who will come to the site and can avail 10% of his first order. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to subscribe for my another Shopify account. So just to show you that it will charge just rupees 20 for 3 months, means rupees 20 for first month, rupees 20 for second month, and rupees 20 for third month. It's rupees 60 for 3 months. And you can cancel the subscription in your third month. After the subscription, and it will charge you around 1994. So before the completion of the third month, you need to cancel your membership. Okay, so we are going to purchase that basic plan. I'm going to subscribe that. I have added my card. Okay, now I'm going to subscribe so that I can able to assess here my website. Here you can see, like, if I will open this, if I will try to open my website, it will give me the error that you need to select a plan. Okay, so there is no choice. I need to buy this plan for 3 months so that I can able to know the Shopify in detail, so that I can explain you as well. Okay, so I'm going to buy this another plan just to describe, just to show you that how you can able to do. I'm going to subscribe. After adding the card details, I'm going to subscribe. Here you can see the subscription in is successful, and here finally it is coming like the basic plan. In my plan it is showing the basic, and here once again we can able to view all features, and here you can see the cancel plan button is also there, and from here you can able to cancel this subscription anytime. And now I'm going to assess, I'm going to check my store. I will go back and will check that whether I able to open admin.shopify.com. Yes, now I able to open. So first of all, I will check my theme. I will click here online store and will check out my theme. I need to install the refresh theme so that I can able to update the homepage banners. So I'm going to customize. Sorry, I will use the another theme. I am going to use the refresh theme here. From here, I'm going to select the refresh theme. Here it is. So I'm going to add this theme. And now we are going to publish this one. Here, click on publish once again. And here we can see that the theme has been changed now. Now it's the refresh theme. Now we can able to check the store. So we are going to click on this icon. Okay, so now you can see that our website is now opening. Okay, so products are also coming, and this is the home page banner. We are going to set it with the slider banners. Okay, so we will customize our theme here, and here in the header section we are going to add few banners in the header section. Okay, so here you can see the option, slide option. Here we are going to select our first banner, like I'm going to select this banner and click on done. And this banner is shown here. Okay, and you can remove this one if you don't want this tab, then you can also remove. Otherwise you can write here whatever you want, like browse our latest products or something as new collection, then the new collection will come. And here you can also provide the link here. Okay, if you want to link this one, then you can also insert the link. Okay, otherwise you can even remove it. Okay, if you are not, if you don't want, then you can simply remove this container. Okay, then see, it remove this container. And if you don't want this shop all, you can also remove this one. And see, now only the banner is coming. Okay, and like this you can click on this save. Okay, so banner is saved. So like this we can add another slide as well. Here you can see the slide has been added, and we can right click and click on duplicate slide. One more slide we can add, and we can click on that slide, and we can change this image from our library. Okay, we can choose the another banner. Okay, and here you can see the another banner has also come, and then we can click on save once again. Now I'm going to refresh and will show you that home page slider banner in our refresh theme. Okay, you can see here the slider banners have come up here. See, two banners have come up. Okay, like this. Even then we can change the banner. I'm going to check that whether I have some good banners. And let's see, pictures, I don't have any banners here. Otherwise you can search for any banners. Okay, then you can add here. The purpose is just to tell you that you can add home page slider banners like this. Okay, so you can add in there are many themes. It depends upon the themes. Many theme sports home page slider banners. So refresh theme, this is the free theme that also supports the home page slider banners. Okay, so after this, see, once again I'm going to tell you that you can customize this banner. Like if you want some click event or some wording, I'm going to add here new collection, and I want to make it here I need to enable the container for it. Okay, new collection is coming, and now I want to make it in center. Then I can make it in center, and I can see current position. I will make it bottom left or bottom right. I'm going to make it bottom right, and here you can see the bottom right. And I also want here to some link, like I will add here stack developers dot in. Okay, I'm going to add this link. And okay, so insert this link, click on save. Now I'm going to show you this change here. So here you can see in one of the banner, new collection is coming, and the link option is also coming. If you click here, then the another website comes up. Okay, stackdevelopers.in, another website comes up. Okay, like this. Like this, you can able to customize your homepage banners as well. I hope it's clear to you. Okay, so now we are going to do the further things. Now I'm going to install the search and discovery app, because I want here whenever I will go to the home page, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open our website. I'm going back, and we'll click on this our I'm going to open this. Okay, fine. So whether here I'm going to the products here. Okay, I'm going to click on products. See, the complete collection will open. Now I want some filters here. Like the filters are here. I want more filters. Like I want here the size as well as the color filter. Price filter is already there. So for this we are going to install the search and discovery app. So this app we are going to install, and you will come to know that how to install such apps. Okay, so I'm going to search for this app, and we'll click on this app, and I'm going to install this app. This is one of the good app for the advanced filter that you can set in your listing pages, product listing pages. Okay, so I'm going to install this app. It will get installed in few seconds. And here you can see the app is installed now. We can customize the filters after clicking on it. and here we can add the more filters, select source, and here I'm going to add the size filter first of all. So with all conditions, size filter, and here I want automatically, that is fine, and we'll click on save. I'm going to check there if the size filter is now appears. Yes, the size filter appears now. Okay, there is product with small as well as the medium size. If I will click on small here, then you can see this blue t-shirt is having the small size, but that red t-shirt does not have that small size. So that's red t-shirt is not coming now. So it's updating in real time via Ajax. Okay, we can remove the filters from here. If I don't want any filtration, then we can remove as well. Okay, so the size filter is working fine, and like this we can also add here the color filter as well. uh, so I will go back and we'll add the another filter, and here select source, and I'm going to add the color filter now. Okay, so these two colors are available. I'm going to click on save. So we'll refresh here, and here still color filter is not coming. I need to see color, and here automatically manage values. And it is. So let's refresh once again. So now see the color filter is also coming here. Both the colors are coming now. If we click on blue, then only blue color products will come. Okay, here you can see only the blue product is coming. And now we will remove all. And now I'm going to click on red, and we can find here that only the red product is coming. Okay, so the color filter is also working fine. Make sure that you will add the right color, okay, correct color here in the product details. So there are other filters as well that you can also set it up. Okay, so you can find here there are other filters as well. You can add those filters as per your own choice. Okay, so let's come back to the doc. Now we are going to create this discount code, welcome 10 discount code. Okay, that will offer 10% discount coupon for the new users. So we are going to add this discount code from here. So from here I have already added welcome 10. Okay, so I'm going to add it once again. I'm going to remove it and we'll add it once again. I'm going to remove this coupon from here, delete discount, delete. And now I'm going to add it once again, create, and here so you can see there are many types of coupon. Okay, we will learn the coupon discount coupons in detail later on, but right now I just want to add the percentage coupon. Okay, amount of products. So this is the coupon that I want. I will select, and here I will add the coupon code, like discount code is welcome 10. I'm going to add the welcome 10 coupon, and we'll give the 10% discount to the users. And I want to apply it to the specific collection or specific products. I want to apply it to the all the collections. So I'm going to add here the all collection, click on add. Okay, and no minimum requirements, all customers, I want to give it for all customers. And here now there are more options as well, but I want these options right now as a basic coupon. Okay, I will click on save. Now I will go to my product. I'm going to add one of the product here. I will add to cart, and yeah, I'm going to close preview, click on close preview. Okay, so I will click on buy it now. So here I will reach to the checkout page where I can see the discount code option. So here I will add here the welcome 10, and here right now you can see the price is 1180 including taxes. So I'm going to apply this coupon welcome 10, and here you can see the amount is reduced. Okay, we have provided the 10% coupon, so the percentage is always on the product. Okay, so we are giving the 10% discount on this product, so the total price for the product is 900. After taxes we are going to charge 1062. Okay, so see these taxes also we are going to learn in the upcoming parts. Okay, right now see the coupon code we able to avail the coupon code discount. Okay, like if you are going to enter the wrong coupon code, then it will show you the error message, enter a valid discount code. Okay, so you are required to enter the right code. So we have entered the code and availing the discount here. So now we can able to purchase this order. Okay, so if I will click on complete order here, COD option is coming, and you need to add all the required details here. Okay, so whatever the details are, you are required to fill all the details. Anything you can add here, city and pin code. Okay, so complete your order. Here you can see. Thank you, Amit. You can able to complete your order, and now we can go to the orders here, and we can see we able to make our first order. Then that is 1062. That is of 1062 amount, and here you can see the welcome 10 coupon minus 10%. Okay, of our product. So we able to avail this coupon here as well. Okay, so these 3 points we have done, and we are going to learn more very soon in the next part. Please stay tuned for more updates. Thank you so much, and please subscribe the Stack Developer YouTube channel so that you will learn more about the Shopify, and also you are going to learn about the Laravel series. Okay, so you can able to make the e-commerce website like Amazon. We are going to make the e-commerce website like Amazon multi-vendor e-commerce website, and for that you are required to follow this series, Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce series, to make the website like Amazon. And please always subscribe the channel for more updates. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.